Yeah. Somebody asked me what my refrigerator looked like, so I'm gonna show them. Got fruits and stuff. We got watermelon, mushroom, dates, broccoli, OJ, of course. Love my OJ. Got water, couple vegetables, cantaloupe, which is my favorite fruit, some grapes, my yogurt down there, my celery, more celery. Well, that's lettuce right there. Broccoli, portobello mushrooms, baby spinach, more baby spinach, my almond milk and the cashew milk and all that. Tomatoes, oranges, apples, pears. My buddies down there, bell peppers. Got a bunch of stuff for salads over here. Got the alternative to cheddar. This is dairy-free cheese. It's alright, it's not bad. Gotta have my sriracha hot chili sauce. I love that stuff. We got some olives in here. My Italiano salad dressing. My leftover soy and all that, because I stir fry a lot. More lettuce, more hot sauce. And freezer, well, the freezer's empty right now. Gotta restock that. And basically what that is homemade ice cream. Vegan style, all that. So, gotta eat that watermelon and cantaloupe before it goes bad. It's a pretty boring video, but I'm on my grown stuff, my grown man stuff right here. So yeah, it's gonna be boring a little bit. I think we got some Thomas English muffin back there. An onion, more yogurts. I love them. And that's about it right now. Gotta go back to the store. Cause now I want some I want something crazy. I don't know what though. Alright, anyway. That's a day in the life, man. Pretty boring, I know, but hey, health is wealth. Blessed be. As above, so below.